What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Crypto Rush. Today we are going to be talking about the Bitcoin dump that has happened yesterday throughout today, what could have caused that dump, and where we could be going from here in the near future. So if that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video as I'll be coming out with new daily videos every weekday on Bitcoin analysis and my top altcoin setups. So make sure you guys don't miss that and subscribe to my channel. And before we begin today, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, as trading and investing in cryptocurrencies is extremely risky, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market. Now let's begin. So we've seen quite a bit of a dump from Bitcoin yesterday, from 11,700 almost, right back down to almost 11,200. So what could have caused that dump yesterday? Now going back to yesterday's setup, I have mentioned that we were running in this rising channel right here. So I have adjusted the trend lines for the dump that has happened last night. And now we're in a bigger rising channel, and we're going to see if this pattern holds. Now we're going to look at the support that we still have in this pattern. So right now it's 5 p.m. in Pacific Standard Time. I am in California, and it seems that we just got rejected by the 4-hour 200 moving average. So that is a bad sign. That was the support that we were looking at, and since we got rejected at that resistance level, we have not gone back on top of it as support. The next level that we could be going down to would be, so I am looking now. It looks like the next level we could be going down to is 10,750. Now let's confirm and see if that is indeed the next level of support that we could be seeing. And yes, that does look like it will be the next level of support we are heading down to. So there is some more downside according to the moving averages that I'm seeing here. Also, the 6-hour 200 MA is also down at 10,700. Let's see if yes. So the daily 50 MA and the 6-hour 200 MA are the next level of support that the the Bitcoin could actually head down to. If that does not hold, the next level of support will be about 10,000, which is quite a bit of a drop for Bitcoin. So when this happens, I would expect more downward action for the altcoins as well, for the majority of the altcoins. So I would definitely keep my stops in place just to look out for any more downward action. Now, what could have caused this dump? As I mentioned yesterday, just right now, actually, I've checked for divergences or any bearish patterns on Bitcoin, because Bitcoin, they tend to affect altcoin price action as well. I have checked everything up to the daily, and I did not see any red flags, but one thing I did miss out on was the weekly candles, which I see now that there is actually bearish divergence comparing all the way back to the week of August 5th, 2019. So that is a long way back, and it's just really eye-opening that you can see divergence affecting the price action here, even though when comparing to something that has happened a year ago. So this is eye-opening, and it's not something I would miss in the future, because it has had quite a bit of an effect on the market. Now let's go to some of our altcoin setups and recap on the altcoin setups I have mentioned yesterday. The first one is VThor. So I have mentioned yesterday that this altcoin that is found on Binance US is on a falling wedge pattern, which is a reversal pattern. And according to the price action that we got on August 23rd, that seemed like it could be an indicator for a reversal, as we did break the top trend lines with a daily close and some decent volume. But I was looking for the price action to continue upwards, to actually break out of these moving averages, but it has not done that, which could have been due to the downward market yesterday. And now it looks like it does want to get back into the falling wedge, but we will see what happens. But if this price action for VThor actually breaks above some of these key resistance levels, which are the moving averages, I would be looking to get in, as the price target that I have so far for this coin is 0.0023. So that is almost double the price of the coin right now. Of course, it's not going to go straight up, but that would be a pretty big reversal to this downtrend that I'm seeing on this coin. Now, the next coin that I want to be talking about is Comp, which I have also mentioned yesterday that I have a position in, which was also heavily affected by the red market that we saw yesterday as a result of the Bitcoin bearish divergence. Now, currently, we are below quite a bit of the moving averages, which is kind of disappointing because it seemed like we were having a breakout of this falling wedge right here until we got back on top of 190. Now we got rejected there and got all the way back down to almost 160, so that's a really steep drop. And some of the key levels I would watch here would be the moving average, the 50-day moving average, which is, it seems like it's almost below now, so I will be taking action right after this video, and actually make a contingency plan based on the price action right now. But that is one of the key levels I do not want to get below, as it seems like, the price action has not closed below it. So closing below it would be a very bad sign. But other than that, I am seeing bullish divergence on the 12-hour chart as you compare it with August 23rd and today, the candle that just closed. So you have bullish divergence on the 12-hour chart. I believe you also have bullish divergence on the 6-hour chart. No, not exactly. Actually, it's off by a little bit. So no bullish divergence on the 6-hour, but we do have bullish divergence on the 4-hour as well, and we'll see if this plays out. But of course, I'm going to be keeping an eye out on Bitcoin, as that would be the driver of this market right now, and I will play it accordingly. So this is my update for today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Leave me any ideas in the comment section below. I would love to know your thoughts and connect with other traders. And if you guys have not yet already, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys tomorrow.